Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 11th October 2025, Saturday. Vishwavasanama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayinam, Varsha Ridhu, Puratashi Masam, that is Kanya Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi night up to 12:20 p.m. Panchami, then Shashti. Sthiravasaram, that is Saturday. Nakshatram up to night 9:20 p.m. Rohini Nakshatram, then Mrigashirsham. Today's Rahukalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Yamagandam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Guliyagalam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Good time 7 to 8 a.m. then 11 to 12 p.m. Today's sunrise at 6:05 a.m. in Kerala. Chandrashtamam for Tula Rashi, Shulam East. Today's Prayachittam Kard, Shraddha Tithi Panchami.